Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. How to calculate quantity of steel and beam. This is a short video but very important for you people to know about steel calculation in RCC beam. Guys, you can see here, this is width of the beam, this is the depth of the beam. Suppose we have 4 steel rods, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top, and we are using 12 millimeter die of steel rod, 12 millimeter. So how much quantity of steel is required for this beam? Okay, for example, guys, you can see for a beam, length is 4 meter, width of the beam is 0.3 meter, depth is 0.5 meter. You can see, so the concrete cover is 25 millimeter or 0.025 meter. Main bars, where we have 4 longitudinal bars of the 12 millimeter diameter. Guys, you can see we have 4 bars and the diameter is 12 millimeter. Next, stirrup 8 millimeter diameter of 150 millimeter spacing center to center. Guys, you can see here, now you will see here, this is the stirrup, guys. Okay, so the stirrup diameter is 8 millimeter with the spacing of 150 millimeter center to center, or you can say 0.015. You can say 0.015. You can say normally in meter. Okay, 0.15 millimeter, sorry, because this is the spacing of the stirrups. So now let me guide you for the main bar cutting length. So what is the main bar cutting length? So the length is 4 meter. Guys, you can see here, 4 meter length plus 2 multiply 0.48 meter, because 0.48 meter, you can see clearly 0.48 meter where we have anchor length or the development length. You can say this is 0.04 meter minus or subtract band deduction. So the band deduction, guys, I will guide you properly now. So 0.4 plus 2 multiply, because 2 development length we have, guys, you can see this is development length, this is also development length. So for each bar the development length is 0.48 meter, and this is also 0.48 meter. So plus 2 multiply 0.28 development length. So what is development length? Let me guide you in this beam. This is a long section of the beam. Inside this is the steel reinforcement. So guys, you can see the upper bar is going to the downward side and the bottom bar is going to the upward side. So this is a development length. So guys, this is development length, this one, right? So now, guys, you can see minus deduction, so band deduction. So guys, where you can see 4 bars we have and the cutting length you can find from this. Okay, band deduction, this is the band, okay, which is 0.04d, right? So now the weight you can find from the formula of d square divided by 162. So the d square is 12 millimeter divided by 162 multiply length. Multiply length means cutting length, okay, or the total length of the bar. So this is the way to find the quantity of steel. Stirrup, so the cutting length is 2 multiply 0.3 meter minus 2 multiply 0.025. Guys, you can see here, this is especially for the stirrup. So we have, guys, 2. Okay, so what is 2 multiply, because this is 1, this is the other one. So 2 multiply what? You can say 0.3 meter minus 0.025, because concrete cover should be deduct from this. This is concrete cover, this is concrete cover. So guys, you can see, so from this 3 we will deduct minus 0.025 one side, 0.025 from the other side. So therefore you can see 0.3 minus 2 multiply 0.025, because we have 2 side concrete cover, plus, guys, you can see multiply 0.5. now we have the other one, so subtract this one concrete cover and this one, because now we are talking about the depth. Before this we were talking about the width. So therefore, guys, you can see plus 0.5 minus 2 concrete cover, which is 0.025, or you can say which is equal 25 millimeter. So this is plus hooks minus band deduction. So hooks, what is hook? Oh, guys, you can see these are hooks. It should not be less than 3 inches or 25 millimeter. So guys, you can see minus band deduction. So you can see number of stirrups. How you can calculate number of stirrups? How do you can find number of stirrups? So 4 is the total length of the beam. So 4 divided by 0.15 meter, because spacing. Okay, so you can say length of beam divided by spacing of stirrups. So where you can see 4 is the length of beam divided by 0.15 meter, which is equal 150 millimeter. Before this I did, but don't confuse yourself. This is 0.15 millimeter, right? So plus 1. Okay, so we require 28 stirrups. Okay, so the total length of the stirrups 28 multiply cutting length. So cutting length you can find from this formula. You can do your own calculation. Okay, using the calculator. Now to find weight of steel, so d square divided by 162. So the stirrup diameter is 8 millimeter. So 8 millimeter square divided by 162, multiply the total length. So the total length for one total length multiply the cutting length, so you will get the total length. So this total length you will find the total weight of the stirrup. So total weight of stirrup plus total weight of longitudinal bar, which are 4, you will find the total quantity. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.